Detector Layout command. For to draw detector we are going to use AutoCAD program command called Detector Layout. Detector Layout command will be called through AutoCAD menu or by using toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call Detector Layout command is DTR. When this command is called, Detector Layout tab will be opened. The defined detector block will be seen here. We can change the detector block symbol by clicking this block button. Also we can change or differentiate block symbols for detector type using this pop-up list. Smoke, heat, and other detector block symbols are available. This edit box is for maximum area per detector. This box is for maximum distance between detectors. And this box is for minimum distance between detectors. Detector spacing roundoff can be assigned using these radio buttons. Scale of the block can be changed using this edit box. Normally keep the scale of the block same as the scale of the drawing we are making. Click Select Area button to draw detectors. Detectors can be drawn in 4 ways. First type is easily by selecting 2 corners. First corner and opposite corner. First corner and opposite corner. Second type is by selecting first corner and by selecting other vertex points. Third type is by select object. Select closed object, detectors will be drawn inside the object. Fourth type is by selecting pick point. If automatic boundary can be detected using pick points, detectors will be drawn inside it.